dim sum and tea. South Lions, Hong Kong, dim sum and tea. Here in East Hanover, New Jersey. Now get over here. Cooking and barbecue restaurant. South Lion, Hong Kong dim sum. So far, the hot pot has a good taste. The soup base is flavorful. The vegetables are clean and tasty. It tastes fresh. Okay, Julie's gonna put the chicken into the hot pot, into the boiling pot. She has the Chinese herbal broth. I have the that is the spicy mild broth. These are our meats. Okay, so the lamb here is very lean. It's not so fatty. And it has a nice mild taste. I only needed to cook it about just a little bit more than a minute. And it has a nice mild flavor. This lamb is delicious. This is like the best hot pot lamb I've had. Delicious. Okay, so what is your opinion of this hot pot? Here at this place called Cooking Hot Pot Bbq. She's got her seafood. Vegetables and the meats. Okay, so there's the pots going. Alright. Alright, so we're going to put some vegetables in and let it cook it. It's pretty good actually, it's not too bad. Here at Cooking, East Hanover, New Jersey. Cooking, East Hanover, New Jersey. Route 10, West. Now what is what's the name of this place?
Cooking.
Cooking. All right.
Why it's
Cooking. So what do you think of it so far? What's the taste?
It's okay.
So you have your dessert. You have your sesame seed. What do you call those? Sesame seed. And you got green tea ice cream, right? Green tea ice cream. Yeah. What does it say?
If you search iCooking on social media, you get a free bubble tea.
Oh really? You should have searched it. So there is the South Lions and Cooking restaurants here in East Hanover, New Jersey. All right, there you had your hot pot. So we're leaving the Cooking hot pot place. It says Cooking hot pot. Alright, so I just left the Cooking hot pot and barbecue restaurant. It looks like a pretty new place. It's on Route 10 West in East Hanover, New Jersey. The lamb was delicious, the meats were better quality, and the vegetables were tasty. The dessert and the ice cream, which was Kemp's ice cream, was very good.